Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews.
Hi guys, let's check out the biplane I picked up on Amazon. Excuse me. I'll put the name in the title. It's not coming to me right this moment. I want to say A300, but I'm not sure that's correct. That's by XK. Anyhow, this is a 4-channel brushless RC biplane. Without further ado, let's get it up in there and see how it'll fly. Wish me luck. Made in flight. Fresh out of the box. After assembly. Let's see what it's got. Ooh, that's gonna have some power. Okay. So on the first, the low rate settings. 6G mode, I would hope. Yep. 6G mode. Alright, I can't do a runway takeoff, so I'm gonna have to do a hand launch. Hopefully that'll work okay. We'll be the first to know. There we go. Oh, like a champ. I already have a battery warning. Something must have happened with the battery. Alright, I'm going to bring it in for emergency landing. Best I can do. I got tall weeds. Wow, that thing is really going to fly good. Well, knowing me, I must not have charged the battery for this one. Alright guys, let's check out this really cool biplane I found online. It is brushless motor, 4-channel, and it has some cool lights on there. Alright, without further ado, let's get it up in the sky and see what it can do. Thanks for watching. Wish me luck. Oh, it's off. That's so cool looking. Neat. It's in beginner mode. You can see the lights. I can at least. Oh, get out from under there. The wind about carried me into the tree. I have a lot of tree issues over here. Some of these planes are really fast. I can get into a tree in a hurry. It's got a little up and down activity going on there. I'm flying into that wind. Neat. Pretty much was just gliding at that time. That's full throttle, fighting that breeze. That's your full up in beginner mode. Still a pretty good climb rate. Really breezy day, guys. I'm going to have to try this in like a senior mode. Couldn't tell what I was doing there. The wind was carrying me around too much. Pretty cool. That thing definitely can fly. to slow it down when you're trying to turn in the wind. I've noticed it's pretty windy out here. You can see the trees over there blowing. See if I can't get you some closer flybys. Whoa, wind. So really fighting that wind. Very cool airplane, guys. Looks neat as can be too. I'm not going to get into any 3D mode today. It's too windy for me. I'll save it for another day. Just want to get some more flight on this. The first video I forgot to charge the battery. My bad. So this is going to be spliced into that. I'm very happy with this. It's an XK model. I had to look at the remote just to make sure, but yep, it's XK. These are cool. They do have 3D mode, a little bit different to get in there. Then you're in complete control. It's not like a stunt button like some of the other models. There's a battery warning. So I got about, I don't know, I'd say 3 or 4 minutes flight before that warning started. Pretty cool. Alright, I'm going to start working my way down to get ready for a landing. You get a flashing light there, that's a nice warning. And the remote beeps. It's a good warning system. Alright, let me circle around back here to the left. Come in for a landing. There we go. Oh no. Looked like something fell off. Let's go see what we got. I'll turn it back on when I get up there. Alright, I'm on it. Looks like one of the landing gear came off. Uh-oh. Problem without having a runway, sometimes the grass will rip that right off of there, so we're not going to hold that against the plane. We're going to hold that against my runway. No problem though, that can glue right back on there. Actually pokes right back into place. There you have it, guys. It says GBRVE on the top wing there. I believe it's the A380 or something like that. I'll leave you a description. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace. Have a great day. Bye.